Ethereum marks highest growth day in 2022. Will ETH price follow? Let's see what happens in the future. Let's talk about it. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. And this is the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Now, will Ethereum price rise? That's what we want to know, because it's getting some growth in terms of 2022 as a whole for Ethereum. Now, such conservative growth in a short period of time always work towards a bullish tendency for any digital asset. For Ethereum, this new growth could definitely lead to a breakout in price. This will likely push the price of the currency above $1,500. $1,500 once more, and nature of Ethereum insurance supports this. Now, related reading, Ethereum hit 7.7 billion. Why a rally might be in the work? I do think a rally is in the work for Ethereum, but we're going to have to be patient. Now I'm going to skip to right here. At more than 163 Ethereum burned in 24 hours, ETH insurance had turned deflationary with less ETH coming into the circulation. If the supply continues to decrease, then it is possible that a breakout will happen with Ethereum. Look at that. But however, it is also important to keep in mind that more often than not, the price of Ethereum tends to closely follow that of Bitcoin. Since Bitcoin has shown no indication of a breakout, it would hinder a possibilities of a rally from Ethereum, likely stifling its growth. So while the present events may point to a breakout for the second largest cryptocurrency, it will wait on Bitcoin to lead the way. We'll have to see on Bitcoin. According to this information here, Ethereum usually do follow Bitcoin, but if this growth continue happening in terms of 2022 and beyond, Ethereum may have its own plans in the future. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. And this is the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.